I was interested in buying the Blisslights Sky Lite 2.0, but the one thing that held me back was wondering how functional is it without the app? If you buy this product and the app disappears, will it still work, or will you be left with an expensive paperweight? Let's dive in and find out exactly what you can do without the app. I made the choice to not download the app because the permissions seemed unnecessarily invasive. The product itself gets good reviews, but the app reviews are less promising. Reading the reviews, a theme emerges. People are annoyed about how intrusive the app is. If you want the app to work, it requires location information and file and storage permissions. The location information permission request may be required to pair with the device via Bluetooth, but file and storage permissions allow the app to access photos, videos, music, and audio on your device. One of the app features includes taking a photo of your custom constellation creation for easy future access, so it's understandable they would need access to your photos for that. But my gripe is the fact that even if you don't want to use that feature, the app will still demand access to your camera and refuse to work otherwise. They advertise limited functionality without the app. Let's go ahead and see exactly what that means. This is the box the product comes in. I got the green stars option. This is what the device itself looks like. As you can see, it has 3 buttons on the side, and it's a bit bigger than a CD in size. The Skylight has 2 different angles. Changing the angle changes the location of the projection. As you can see, it's come with a blue sticker over a lens. This lens is where the green stars come out of. Unfortunately, it's not possible to choose whether or not the modes have the stars on when you're not using the app. Some modes have stars, and there is no way to turn them off when you're appless. However, you can hack this by keeping the sticker over the star lens. When I'm demonstrating the different modes, I'll show you what they look like with the sticker on and the sticker removed. I prefer the nebula by itself without the star field, so I tend to leave the sticker on my device. I wouldn't recommend planning on pulling it off and on repeatedly though, as the sticker will lose its stickiness over time and might fall off and get lost. I would recommend that you keep this sticker just in case you need it in the future. For example, if the app stops working. You could keep it with your instruction manual. Okay, now we're going to run through the different color settings, and after that I'll tell you about the pros and cons of the Skylight 2.0. There are also 3 different brightness settings. I'll just run through those quickly now. You can also freeze the pattern. One thing to note is, even if you do enable the freeze button, the colors will still change on the final mode. It's not possible to freeze it on a single color when you're not using the app. Now that we've seen what the product can do, I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons I've noticed. Let's start with the pros. The skylight is really pretty. It's nice, soft, ambient lighting that could be useful for a range of different situations. It could be good for gaming, children, parties or gatherings, or even having a nice spa bath as long as you're careful and there's somewhere it can go where it definitely won't get wet or affected by steam. It's also great that it works without the app, so even if the app stops working in the future, the product will still work. One con is the limited colors available. It's red, green, and blue, that's it. I would have liked to be able to choose any color to be projected as a nebula. Also, the invasive app permissions are annoying. I think it's quite hostile to consumers to make the app not work at all unless invasive unnecessary permissions are given. I shouldn't need to let it access my photos and videos just to turn on a light. This review was recorded in September 2022. Maybe the situation has changed since I'm recording this video. I would suggest checking out the most recent reviews on the app to see if people are still complaining about this problem. I'm also not a big fan of the star field. In my opinion, it doesn't look realistic with the spacing. You can't turn this off and on without the app, but the product did come with that sticker that hides the stars, and I just leave that on and it's worked so far. Overall, I like this product. I think it's a bit limited with the colors, but if you get it on special like I did, it seems like good value for money. I've added a link to the product in the description below so you can quickly check it out on Amazon if this seems like a product that you could be interested in. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please click the like button and click subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me in the future. Have you got the skylight? Do you like it? Comment below with your thoughts and feel free to ask any more questions and I'll answer if I can. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.